what we're about. I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me, honey.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another wig review, and this is from a company called WIGENCOUNTERS.com. As you can see, my box came a little beat up, but that's okay because I have other places to store my wig, and it did also come via FedEx, so it only took a few days to get to me. So as I'm showing you, it did come with a couple of goodies, which is a wig cap, a pamphlet telling you all about the wig, and of course the wig itself. Now this is a 14-inch Indian Remy bob, and it is so cute, you guys. This is a lace front wig. The density on this wig is about 150%, but yeah, it does have combs. I believe you have 3 in the front and 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps.
Let me go, let me out, but time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me, honey. I think we lost the toe. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the
Okay, so I'm back now that I have that lace cut off and I have my wig adjusted to my head. Mind you, I did not adhere this wig to my head at all. You really don't need to do that. I mean, you can if you want to secure your wig depending on where you're going, but I wasn't going anywhere and I had a couple more videos to do, so I did not secure this wig to my head, adhere it at all. So this is what you're seeing, and I love the wig. So far, no cons. It's not shedding, it's not tangling or anything like that, and the hair is really nice, really soft, and it's a little on the thin side, but I like that because to me it's a little more natural. So all you guys see me doing now is just adding some of my wax stick just to flatten out that parting space a little more. So yeah, I was not feeling the middle part, you guys, so I just went ahead and switched it to a side part. I don't know, it was just something about the middle part did not look right to me at all. So that's one of the beauties of this wig as far as the parting space goes. You get that 6 inches of parting space, making it really easy for you to part, you know, throughout the front of the wig, and I absolutely love it. It looks really realistic, and for this not to be adhered to my head, I think it looks really good. So as you guys know, you already know the drill. I went in with my foundation, my powder foundation, in my parting space just to make it look a little more natural, and that's pretty much all I did to this wig, you guys. I absolutely love it, and if you're interested, again, all of the links will be down below in the description box. I got this again from WIGENCOUNTERS.com. Love the company, customer service was on point, the wig is very pretty, and yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.